Hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you are a new visitor to our channel, consider subscribing and do activate bell icon for further updates. In this video, we are discussing about the amazing hexagon technique that can easily help us to understand or memorize the all the formulas that comes under trigonometric identities. Okay, so let's do this easily. So for this, I'm just assuming hexagon diagram, and you know that hexagon diagram how it looks. Hexagon having 6 vertices, and at every vertex I'm assuming one trigonometry function, and from that we can easily derive a lot of trigonometry functions. Okay, by going clockwise and anti-clockwise, and there are few steps I will be going to show you. It will be easy for you. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic way I'm showing on the screen right now, and at every vertex, as I told earlier, I'm taking each trigonometric function. If you observe it carefully, I have taken all the c terms in the sense cos, cot, cosec. All the c terms I have taken on the right hand side of the hexagon, and remaining sine, tan, secant I have taken left hand side of the hexagon respectively. Okay, so do observe carefully for your easy remembrance. I'm telling this trick. Just take all the c terms cos, cot, cosecant and the right hand side of the hexagon, and remaining part on the left hand side of the hexagon. Okay, that's what I'm writing over here. So for the derivation of formulas, just like I'm taking clockwise, anti-clockwise, those kind of step by step procedure. So see couple of steps, so it will be helpful for you to remember this easily. So first I'm taking clockwise. You know the clockwise, right? How the clock will be rotated. So for example, if you select from this hexagon, if you select one trigonometry function, for example tan, if you select tan, the next two trigonometry function in the hexagon is sine and cos. So tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Similarly, if you select the sine theta, it will be the next two terms cos theta by cot theta. If you select cos theta, it will be cot theta by cosecant theta. If you select cot theta, cosecant theta by secant theta. So like that, if you select one trigonometry function, the next two trigonometry functions will comes under numerator and denominator respectively. Okay, so this is the one kind of technique I shown you, and the next I am going to show you about the how, if you use, if in the same hexagon, if you assume the hexagon in front of you, you can easily crack this. Okay, so let's go anti-clockwise direction, and there are some kind of formulas. So if you go anti-clockwise, so if you select one trigonometry function from the hexagon, then the bottom next two functions are the your answer. That means tan theta is equal to secant theta by cosecant theta, and secant theta is equal to cosecant theta by cot theta. Cosecant theta is equal to cot theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to the next two terms is cos theta by sin theta. Like that we can easily derive. Okay, just assume what I told in this session is like, I just assumed hexagon, it is called as popular hexagon technique. Okay, they just assume hexagon in front of us, and we taken all the c terms on the right side of the hexagon, and remaining or left side of the hexagon, and we are going and clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. We are just moving in two things, and we derived few formulas over here. And again, if you moving along the diagonal in the sense cross marks, you know the cross marks, right? Into symbols. So reciprocal formula this is called. Okay, if you move along the diagonals, you may easily derive the reciprocal formulas. So these are the reciprocal formulas. That means sin theta is equal to cosecant 1 by cosecant theta. Similarly, if you want cosecant theta, it will be 1 by sin theta. So you know the formulas. This is quite popular, so we can easily remember these things. Okay, and if you want another technique, if you want sin theta, you only get the cosecant theta. So sine is c term, sin theta s will be starting, and cosecant theta c, sin sc. Okay, cosecant theta sin theta, cos theta secant theta cos theta. So tan theta 1 by cot theta, we know this thing, right? So I hope you understood little bit. Just try to focus more and more in the hexagon technique, so it will be really helpful for us while remembering all these formulas. Okay, so similarly, we moved diagonally, right? So we can also move horizontally along the lines, so that we can get complementary angle. Okay. So complementary angle is nothing but complementary is nothing but 90, right? So sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So we are just moving on the hexagon on the horizontal lines, along the horizontal lines, so that we will be getting some kind of formulas over here. Okay. So this is the simplest way to remember all these formulas. So the next one is moving clockwise along the triangles. Along the triangles, in the sense, in this hexagon there will be 6 so-called triangles, right? So I'm just giving you diagrammatic way. You can easily remember this. So I have just taken the hexagon, and we have taken all the trigonometry functions at the each vertices, and from this we can easily derive this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta, and go on. Okay. So there will be a separate note to remember. If you can move, now we have moved like clockwise direction. If you move anti-clockwise, we do have some other formulas. That means like I'm not writing the new formulas. I'm just giving you what I'm deriving from the hexagon. So I hope you like this session. If you like this session, give thumbs up to this video and share this video presentation to your friends, so they can also know about this technique. Okay, thank you.